The Dirt Devil Broom Vac is here to make quick work of your cleaning routine, especially if you're dealing with hard floors. Lightweight, cordless, and designed to tackle those hard-to-reach places, this broom-style vacuum brings efficiency to your cleaning, combining the convenience of a broom with the suction power of a vacuum. If you're tired of dragging around a heavy, cumbersome vacuum just to sweep up small messes, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac might be just what you need. Weighing in at a mere 4 pounds, this vacuum is all about portability and ease of use. It's designed to be super maneuverable, which means you can glide it across any hard floor surface without feeling like you're wrestling with a machine. Whether it's your kitchen, living room, or hallway, it'll effortlessly pick up dirt, dust, and debris. The fact that it's cordless adds even more flexibility within that, allowing you to move around the house freely without worrying about tripping over cords or needing to find a nearby outlet. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its runtime. You get up to 15 minutes of cleaning power on a full charge. While that may not sound like much compared to some high-end models, for quick pickups around the house, it should be more than enough. And when you're done, the included wall mount makes storage simple, keeping it out of the way and ready for the next time you need it. The Dirt Devil Broom Vac's dust cup is another win. It's incredibly easy to empty with just a touch of a button. No need to get your hands dirty or deal with messy dustpans. Plus, the dirt cup is large enough to handle small, everyday messes without frequent emptying. On top of that, the filter is reusable and rinsable, making it a cost-effective option for maintenance. When it comes to cleaning, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac handles all types of hard floors with ease. From hardwood to tile, the suction power is consistent and efficient, pulling dirt out of every nook and cranny. The broom-style design also makes it ideal for cleaning along edges and corners, areas where standard vacuums can often miss. And because it's lightweight, you can use it for longer periods without getting fatigued. While the Broom Vac does a solid job on hard floors, it's not the best choice for high-pile carpet or deep cleaning. It's really designed for light touch-ups rather than tackling heavier, more stubborn dirt or pet hair. If you've got a house full of carpeted rooms, you might want to look for a vacuum with more powerful suction. In terms of value for money, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac fits nicely into the budget-friendly category. It's an excellent choice for those who need a quick, lightweight vacuum for daily pickups on hard floors. The compact design, combined with ease of use and maintenance, offers a lot of value for its price point. However, it's not a replacement for a full-sized vacuum when it comes to deep cleaning or handling more challenging messes. If you're comparing the Dirt Devil Broom Vac to similar models, there are a couple of alternatives worth considering. The Black Decker Dust Buster cordless vacuum, for example, offers similar portability and suction, but with a bit more versatility for smaller messes. However, the Broom Vac has the edge when it comes to maneuverability around corners, while the Dust Buster may offer slightly more runtime. Build quality on the Dirt Devil Broom Vac is pretty solid for its price. The plastics feel durable, and the overall design is streamlined, which contributes to its ease of handling. Of course, this isn't a high-end, heavy-duty vacuum, so don't expect it to last as long as more premium models. But for light, regular use, it should hold up well. The filter and dirt cup are easy to clean, which makes ongoing maintenance less of a hassle. When it comes to customer support, Dirt Devil has a generally solid reputation for handling any issues that arise. Though I haven't needed to reach out personally, the brand's reputation for straightforward, accessible customer service is worth mentioning. With any vacuum, regular upkeep is key, and Dirt Devil makes it simple to keep the Broom Vac in good condition without too much effort. This vacuum doesn't have any high-tech features like smart connectivity or app control, but that's not the focus here. The Dirt Devil Broom Vac is all about simplicity and getting the job done efficiently. If you're looking for a no-fuss cleaning experience that gets you in and out without a lot of extra bells and whistles, it's hard to beat. In conclusion, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use cordless vacuum that's perfect for quick cleanups on hard floors. Whether you're dealing with dust, dirt, or everyday crumbs, This vacuum makes the process a lot easier. While it's not a heavy-duty cleaner for thick carpets or deep messes, its portability, ease of maintenance, and convenient features make it a great value for those with smaller spaces or hard floor surfaces. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in grabbing your own Dirt Devil Broom Vac, you can find the link to purchase in the comments box below. And if you already own one, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, clean smart and keep things tidy with Reviews Inside TV.